Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Simpex 222 tripod. As we can see, the front of the package has some imagery of the product, some Simpex 222 branding on the top, and on the bottom we can see that the product is made for photo, for video, and for digital cameras. On the left hand side of the package, we can see some of the salient features and some imagery explaining the salient features. Let's go through them one by one. We can see the three-way pan head with auto lock and quick release. Pan head tension lock for secure positioning and easy adjustment. The product has a bubble type leveler for fine adjustments. In the middle here we can see the gearless center column for easy manual elevation. Here we can see that each leg of the tripod has 4 individual sections and can be customized in any way you want. On the bottom we can see the height and weight of the product. The maximum height of the product is 49.2 inches. The minimum height of the product is 16.5 inches and the net weight of the product is 620 grams. On the right hand side of the package we can see that these tripods are designed specifically keeping in mind today's cameras. They are strong and durable and fully featured. There's also some information regarding the warranty. We advise you to consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty. In the middle here we can see some imagery of a feature of the tripod where the camera can be rotated in the portrait mode or in the landscape mode without removing it from the tripod. At the bottom we can see that the camera can pan 360 degrees horizontally and 360 degrees vertically. The back of the package is exactly the same as the front. There's nothing to see on the bottom, and on top is some Simpex photo and video branding. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. We get a travel case with a drawstring end, and we get the tripod itself. The tripod features some Simpex branding on one of the legs. Let's start with the top. The top features a 3 mm diameter screw on which the camera can be mounted. The camera can be adjusted in landscape or portrait mode. Thanks to this little lever right here, we get a tube level indicator that can be used to fine tune the level of the tripod while in use. We have a lever here that can be used for panning, and this lever can be used for the tilt. We have a screw lock over here that can be used to fine tune the height of the tripod. Each leg has 3 clips that can be used to customize the height of the tripod itself. This has been the unboxing of the Simpex 222 tripod. Thank you for watching.